So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 5 of chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. And in this session we will learn about quadrilaterals. Already quadrilaterals हम लोग basic geometrical ideas में पढ़ चुके हैं. So that topic I'm going to revise once again. So let us recapitulate what we learned about quadrilaterals in chapter number 4. Quad means 4. Okay. Quad means it is a prefix which means 4. And quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. 4 line segments. It is made up of 4 line segments. A quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. And this is the diagram which shows the quadrilateral bounded by 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, and the points A, B, C, D, these are called its vertices. Okay, so these are called its vertices, and a quadrilateral is naming by listing its vertices only. And starting at any vertex, you can start from any vertex, but it should be in either clockwise or anti-clockwise. ऐसा नहीं कि उल्टा सीधा बोलेंगे. जैसे if suppose I am starting from A, so A, B, C, D. Right, so rotation anti-clockwise. We can read it as A, D, C, B also, but we should not read A, C, B, D. देखो A, C, B, D ऐसे zigzag read नहीं करना है, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, D, C, B and so forth are names of the same figure. But if you write BDAC or BDCA, it is not a correct name for this quadrilateral. Right? So now we are moving toward the next topic, sides, angles and diagonals of a quadrilateral. See this figure, the 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and DA. These are called its sides. Okay, sides of quadrilaterals. इसको sides बोलते हैं. So quadrilateral has 4 sides. And this angles, see, angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle ADC or CDA. These are angles of quadrilaterals, right? And these are the vertices ABCD. So 4 angles we have, 4 vertices, and the line segment joining the non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent vertices A or C hai. If we join, we'll get diagonal. Okay. Another pair is B and D. If we join, we'll get another diagonal. So we have 2 diagonals, AC and BD. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next topic, adjacent sides and opposite sides. So let us see the adjacent sides first. 2 sides of a quadrilateral are said to be adjacent sides if they have common vertices or common endpoints. Okay, and opposite sides किसको बोलते हैं, which do not have any common points, right? Opposite sides are the 2 sides of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite sides of the quadrilateral if they do not have any common point or if they are not adjacent. Okay, so see in this figure, AB and BC, these two are adjacent. Why? Because B is common. Similarly, BC or CD are adjacent because C is common, and CD and AD, these also 2 adjacent sides because D is common. Or last pair had AD or AB, A is common. So altogether we have 4 pairs of adjacent sides, right? 4 pairs, AB AD, AB BC or BC CD or CD DA. And we have 2 pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides, see, AB and DC. We do not have any common vertices. Similarly, the second one is AD and BC. So we have 2 pairs of opposite sides. Now we'll move towards adjacent angles and opposite angles. So 2 angles of quadrilateral are said to be adjacent angles if they have one common side. Okay, right. And if they do not have any common side, opposite angles. So this is the figure. See, these 2 angles are adjacent angles because AB is common, right? Again, angle B, angle C are adjacent angles because BC is common. Now the third pair, angle C and angle D, are adjacent angles because CD is common. And the last one, these two angles are adjacent because AD is common. So altogether we have four pairs of adjacent angles and two pairs of opposite angles. See, angle A and angle C, we do not have any common side. And another one is angle B and angle D. Here also we do not have any common side. Okay, so two pairs we have, right? Now we are moving towards various types of quadrilateral. Now that is a very important topic because this topic will be going to repeat in class 9th and in class 8th also. First, parallelogram, right? This is the figure of parallelogram. See, opposite sides are parallel. If opposite sides are parallel, PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to QR, right? If opposite sides are parallel to each other, then it is a parallelogram, and it is written as a short form in दो parallel line और ऊपर GM करके लिख देंगे. इसको हम लोग parallelogram ही pronounce करेंगे, read करेंगे. So in parallelogram PQRS, we have PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to QR, right? I am repeating, a quadrilateral in which both the pairs, we have total two pairs of opposite sides. So both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Then it is called parallelogram. Next is rectangle. Rectangle is nothing but it is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree, right? So एक angle rectangle में 90 degree हो जाएगा तो सभी 90 degree हो जाएगा. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. एक property है opposite angles equal होता है इसमें, angle P और angle R. Similarly these two angles are 90 degree और ये भी 90 degree हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So each angle of rectangle will become 90 degree. लेकिन इसका definition क्या है? A parallelogram, one of its angles is 90 degree, is called a rectangle, and it is written as short rectangle PQRS. And in rectangle PQRS in the figure, we have PQ parallel to SR, PS parallel to QR, and angle P is equals to 90 degree. Okay, इसमें 90 angle P जो है 90 degree, and opposite sides are parallel. क्यों? क्योंकि ये parallelogram है, right? So now next, square. Square is also parallelogram in which all sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree, right? एक angle इसमें 90 degree हो जाएगा तो अपने आप सभी angle 90 degree हो जाएगा. Okay, each angle of square will become 90 degree. So in this figure, or we can say that square is also a rectangle in which length, rectangle में दो parameter होता है, length और breadth. अगर length और breadth दोनों equal हो जाएगा, if in a rectangle length equals to breadth, then it will become square. So square is a rectangle having all sides equal. So in the figure, ABCD is a square, and I told it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel. So AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC, and all sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. So this is square. Next type is rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal, right? देखो इसमें ये DE equals to EF equals to GF equals to DG. So parallelogram having all sides equal is called a rhombus. In this figure, DEFG is a parallelogram, rhombus, and we have opposite sides are parallel because it is a parallelogram and all sides are equal. So this is rhombus. Now we are moving towards another important type of quadrilateral, trapezium. हम लोग के पास दो पेयर्स है ऑपोजिट साइड्स के, अगर कम से कम एक पेयर अगर पैरेलल होगा, राइट? So if at least one pair of opposite sides is parallel, then it is a trapezium, right? A quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel is called trapezium. So इसमें parallel कौन सा है? AB parallel to DC. So these two are parallel. So in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. So this is trapezium. और इसमें इसको नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स बोलते हैं, किसको? AD और BC को. अगर नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स इक्वल हो जाएगा, if non-parallel sides are equal, then this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. So this is also next type. ये सिलेबस में नहीं है, दिस इज ओनली फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. You will study in class 8th and 9th also, right? If the two non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal to each other, then it is called isosceles trapezium. So in isosceles trapezium PQRS, the figure, see the figure, PQ parallel to SR, these two are parallel sides, and non-parallel sides PS, QR, they are equal. Okay, so now we are moving towards one more very important type of quadrilateral which is not in your syllabus but you will be going to study in class 8. Kite. सब लोग kite देखे हो ना? Have you seen kite?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. Right,
Yes,
right.
sir.
See, this is the structure of kite, and in this, two adjacent sides are equal. देखो, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. ये दोनों equal है और ये दोनों equal है. This is the equality symbol, right? So a quadrilateral in which two pair of adjacent sides are equal is called kite. और इसमें ध्यान से देखो, AD is equals to CD है और AB is equals to BC है, right? अभी हम लोग जितने भी टाइप पढ़े हैं उससे हम लोग को एक कंक्लूजन निकालना है. सी, rectangle, square and rhombus are all parallelograms. Okay, and parallelogram is also trapezium. While a trapezium is not a parallelogram. Why parallelogram is a trapezium? क्योंकि मैंने trapezium में क्या कहा था, मैंने at least one pair of opposite sides is parallel. तो parallelogram में दोनों pair parallel होता है, तो every parallelogram is a trapezium, but trapezium is not a parallelogram क्योंकि हर trapezium में दो pair जो है वो parallel नहीं होता है. Now the third one is that a square is both rectangle and rhombus. Why it is a rectangle? Because it is a parallelogram with one angle 90 degree. And why it is rhombus? It is a parallelogram with all sides are equal. And a kite is not a parallelogram, right? क्योंकि ये parallel opposite sides are not parallel. And a rectangle or rhombus is not necessarily to be a square. What is the condition for rhombus to become a square? एक एंगल उसमें 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ओके, सो रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर होने के लिए क्या कंडीशन है? All sides should be equal to each other, that is length equals to breadth. So these are the different types of quadrilateral. When I share the video, please go through once again. Now we are going to see the quadrilateral family tree. Let us start with the quadrilateral. सबसे quadrilateral के जो main categories हैं, जो main इसके जो children हैं, बच्चे हैं, वो है एक parallelogram और एक trapezium और एक kite, right? और नाउ पैरेललोग्राम में दो टाइप्स है, राइट? एक है रेक्टेंगल एंड अदर इज रॉम्बस. नाउ रॉम्बस इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड विद काइट बिकॉज रॉम्बस को हम लोग स्पेशल काइट बोलते हैं क्योंकि इसमें ये दोनों भी इक्वल है और ये दोनों भी इक्वल है, ठीक है? In fact, in rhombus all sides are equal, but when we talking about any two pair of adjacent sides, they are equal. And rhombus or square में rhombus और rectangle में ये square है. Rhombus square कब होगा? जब उसके एंगल्स 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा. और रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर कब होगा? जब लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल family tree. Now we are going to do one activity based on different types of quadrilateral, right? और trapezium में एक और छूट गया था, isosceles trapezium, right? So now activity, forming quadrilaterals using set square. So we have two types of set squares. एक का था, we have seen in the previous class 90, 45, 45 था एक का, and second one 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, right? So objective, to create the following quadrilaterals using set square. And set square, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. Our materials required 4 scalene set squares. Scalene set square means all sides are different. That is 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. And isosceles set square means उसमें दो sides equal है और दो angles equal है, 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. So first we are going to do स्क्वायर. तो स्क्वायर कैसे बनाएंगे? देखो, सबसे पहले हम लोग ये वाले दो सेट स्क्वायर लेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टू सेट स्क्वायर्स, 90 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, और उसको हम लोग लॉन्गेस्ट एज के साथ में जॉइंट करेंगे, ठीक है? ये मैं करके दिखला रहा हूँ अभी, राइट? सी, दिस इज द सेट स्क्वायर. नाउ I'm going to join with the longest side through with both the longest side. See, so we are getting square, right? Square मिल गया.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So now the
Sir.
next we are going to do the activity for rectangle. See, this is rectangle. What we have to do, how to create a rectangle, join the two scalene set squares. Scalene set squares means 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, and join them along their longest edge, right? Trace the outline of the shape thus obtained on drawing sheets, you will get a rectangle. See, longest edge ये वाला है. मैं अभी join कर रहा हूँ, देखो ध्यान से, rotate करके. आई एम रोटेटिंग, राइट. सो रोटेट करके ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. पूरा रोटेट नहीं हुआ, देखो. राइट. अभी लॉन्गेस्ट एज के साथ में मैं ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. सो वी गॉट रेक्टेंगल.
Yes, sir.
राइट. अभी
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वन इज पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम वी कैन मेक विद द हेल्प ऑफ आइसोसेलेस सेट स्क्वायर और स्केलेन सेट स्क्वायर, दोनों से कर सकते हैं. सो मैं एक एक करके मैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करूंगा. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक आइसोसेलेस, राइट. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे, देखो. इसका एक और सेट लेंगे, राइट. इसको रोटेट करना है. देखो ऐसे रोटेट करके इसको ज्वाइंट करना है. राइट. ये पैरेललोग्राम हो गया. टू सेट्स ऑफ isosceles set squares, we got one parallelogram. दिख रहा है parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Now we are going to make a parallelogram using scalene set square. देखो एक और मैं ले रहा हूँ और इसको रोटेट कर रहा हूँ मैं. I am going to rotate, 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 rotate. Right. Right. Now we have to join. See. Parallelogram बन गया. Right?
हाँ, sir.
Okay. So now after parallelogram what we have to do? Rhombus. ठीक है. Rhombus में आप लोग को 4 चाहिए. 4 scalene set squares. So यहाँ पे एक ही है. So I'm going to take one more. देखो ध्यान से. और इसको थोड़ा पलट के मीन्स फ्लिप करना पड़ेगा, राइट. यू हैव टू फ्लिप. ऐसे कर दिए. और एक टुक सेट ले रहा हूं मैं. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन मोर सेट. इसको फिर हम लोग वर्टिकल फ्लिप करेंगे ऐसे. नाउ वन मोर. ठीक है. अब मैं हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लिप कर रहा हूं इसको, राइट. तो अब हम लोग को ये रोम्बस मिल गया. देखो ध्यान से. ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल बिकॉज ये सभी लॉन्गेस्ट एज है. ऑल दीज आर लॉन्गेस्ट एज, so these are equal. So this is a rhombus. How to construct rhombus? It is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now last is left trapezium. ठीक है. ट्रेपीजियम में आ जाते हैं हम लोग. ट्रेपीजियम हम लोग इसको भी दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. We can use isosceles also, right? And isosceles set square and scalene set square. So let us do with this one. So पहले हम लोग स्क्वायर फॉर्म करेंगे, राइट. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ स्क्वायर. हाउ वी डिड स्क्वायर? लॉन्गेस्ट एज के साथ ज्वाइन किए थे, लाइक दैट. ओके. सो वी गॉट स्क्वायर, राइट. नाउ दिस वन आई एम गोइंग टू ज्वाइन हियर. देखो ध्यान से. ओके. ये ट्रेपेजियम मिल गया. 3 सेट स्क्वायर से मैंने ट्रेपेजियम बना लिया. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस वन. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट आई विल डू, I will make rectangle. Rectangle how we did? Longest edge के साथ में join किए थे. Now I'm going to join, right? So right join हो गया, rectangle मिल गया. ठीक है. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसका कॉपी, ये जो था इसका हम लोग एक कॉपी और ले लेंगे, राइट. एक मिनट. इस रेक्टेंगल पूरा हो गया. देखो ये यहाँ पे ऐड कर लेते हैं, राइट. सो सी वी गॉट ट्रेपेजियम. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सो देखो दोनों ट्रेपेजियम मिल गया यूजिंग आइसोसेलेस सेट स्क्वायर एंड यूजिंग
Yes,
स्केलेन सेट स्क्वायर, राइट. सो this is the activity for forming different types of quadrilateral using set square. Now we are going to start exercise 5.7, right? So first question, say true or false. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. True, right? Next one, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, it is also true क्योंकि length equal रहता है, length और breadth. Next one, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. हम लोग अभी स्क्वायर देखे थे ना, देखो मैं दिखला रहा हूँ एक मिनट. देखो ये अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे डायगोनल ड्रॉ करेंगे, इफ यू ड्रॉ द डायगोनल, सी डायगोनल यहाँ से यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करेंगे, सो देखो ये वाला परपेंडिकुलर होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा. क्लियर? ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. Next one, all sides of rhombus are of equal length. True, right? So क्योंकि rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal, and all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. Not necessary, क्योंकि अभी just मैंने दिखलाया था, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. देखो parallelogram, this is also a parallelogram, एक छोटा और एक बड़ा भी हो सकता है. So इसमें ये दोनों sides equal नहीं है. देखो ये दोनों sides are not equal. So this is false. Next, the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. This is also not necessary. हम लोग जो statement है उसमें true और false देखेंगे for all, not for one or two. See, I'm going to make one trapezium. Trapezium, this is a trapezium. In this opposite sides are parallel, but these are not parallel. These two opposite sides are not parallel. So this is also false, right? So this is question number 1. Now give reasons for the following. First question, a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Yes, I told a rectangle becomes square when its length and breadth are equal, right? Or we can say that a rectangle having all sides equal is a square. Next, a rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. Yes, because what is a rectangle? It is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. अगर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा तो सभी 90 डिग्री हो जाएंगे. So we can write in this way also. A parallelogram having each angle a right angle becomes a rectangle. Next, a square can be thought of as a special rhombus. Why? Because rhombus में all sides are equal होता है and square में भी all sides are equal होता है. So rhombus having each angle a 90 degree becomes a square. This is the reason, right? Rhombus square कब बनेगा? जब square में जब rhombus में हर angle 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा. Squares, rectangles, parallelograms are all quadrilaterals because they have four sides. Because they are four-sided polygons. Okay, that is why it is they are a quadrilaterals. Next, square is also parallelogram. Yes. Why? Because opposite sides of squares are parallel. So this is question number 2. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Very small question. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? देखो regular किसको बोलते हैं? All sides equal होना चाहिए और सभी angle equal होना चाहिए. So we will have only one type of figure. See, all sides are equal and each angle is equal. So which type of figure it is? Each angle is 90 degree. All sides. Yes, very good. A square is a regular quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the last question of the exercise. Now we are moving towards the last section, that is assignment question. This is also very small assignment. First question true or false and second question fill in the blanks. That I will post through Google Classroom, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.